What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and today I want to show you guys the Adventure Force Rapid Racer. This is a really tiny little car here, and it runs off 2.4 gigahertz. This is the transmitter here. The car charges right off the transmitter here. So you just line this little barrel plug up here with this socket there, and it goes on there like that. And it has a rapid charge function, so it charges up really quick. I found that it charges up about, well, I'm not sure if it was fully charged, but in about 5 minutes this thing is ready to go, it seems like. But pretty awesome little racer here. I was just checking this thing out to see if it was worth anything. Surprisingly fast for the size. It has little rubber wheels on here. It has little rubber tires. So the tires do come off. Once my kid, he put too much weight on it and it was rolling a little funny. And so when I picked it up, I realized that it had rubber tires on it. It has bang bang steering. So down here underneath you can correct any drift that it might have to one side. It's not four-wheel drive. It's just rear wheel drive. It gets around pretty well. There's an on and off switch on the bottom here. Let's check it out. No proportional steering or throttle or anything, so check it out. This is what you can expect. I did do a little running video for you guys to check it out. It does go in reverse. They have a nice assortment of colors available for this. I'm not sure exactly how many because it doesn't tell you on the back of the box. It only shows 2 different colors, but I have seen as many as 4 different colors in store. And this did come from Walmart, by the way. And I guess it's pretty neat to be so small and still be 2.4 gigahertz. It does take 4 AA batteries in the transmitter. And I imagine the capacity of battery power is so large because they want you to charge it up from this transmitter here. And this is the only way to charge it up, as far as I know. It didn't come with anything else except this. A really awesome little time killer here. You can race it around on the floor. I even thought about adding FPV to it, but I don't know, that might be pushing it a little. Not sure how small the battery is on this thing. The Adventure Force Rapid Racer. Thanks for watching.